Good evening, guys. Thor from Iceland in Motion, and let's take a look at activity for tonight. I want to check here first if there's anything going on. Just at Land Hotel. Check the webcam. Maybe it's cloudy. I don't know. See here. You see. Yeah, tiny bit coming there, but this is light pollution. It's like cloud over the Flúðir area, but tiny bit coming. Let's see. How does it look? Space weather live. Ta-da. Slowing down a little bit. It's going negative. Let's see how deep. 2.7. Would like to have it deeper, but this is enough for light. So we have around 2, 3, 4, 5. So okay, it's past kind of the peak time. So it looks like we are having lights. Question is when and how strong. Let me see here. Okay, we have here drop here. This is at 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is dropping here, so 7. Okay, we could have something between 7 and 8. Ideally, we want a little bit more of the negative, but we're gonna have lights also later, but probably stronger lights later. But it might be worth if you are, like you say, you're driving from Snæfellsnes between 8 and 9, stop at some random exit with a clear sky and check it out. This could end up in decent till good. Maybe not great unless we are a little lucky. So decent and good at peaks. Not as good as the other night where everything went bananas, but decent.